everyone, just want to show you these. These are new in my store. I understand you've all been having trouble finding the Super Sparkle White mica powder. Well, I managed to get a supply of it in two different grades. There's a finer one, which is 200 mesh, and the glitterier, slightly chunkier one, which is 800 mesh. So I thought I'd just show you these. They are now in my store, and then hopefully that'll be all my new products for a bit, because I never intended to go into retail. So I'm going to just show you what these look like in action. So first of all, let's do the brushing onto the mould. In fact, let's put that one aside. Let's go for the bigger ones. So these are super duper sparkly moulds anyway. See how shiny they are? They're the ones from Little Windows. And this is the 80, and we're going to brush it onto the mould. And then I'll do the same with the 200. And then I'll mix some actually in with the resin. These moulds are very staticky, and this stuff is so fine. Going everywhere. Look, it's coming all over here. Oh dear. You brush it in well. There we are. Come in 5-gram bottles, by the way. If anybody wanted a bigger supply, just let me know. That just seemed to be the typical size that a lot of this sort of thing is supplied in, so I went with that. Might be a bit much there. I'll tap that out. I'm going to put clear behind this, by the way, just so that there's nothing distorting it. Right, I'm going to have a bit of a clean up. Then we'll put some resin in that, and I'll mix up some of the powders into the resin as well. We're just going to put clear on the back of these, so that all you're seeing is the mica. I'm doing this because there's only so much that pictures can show, isn't there, really? And then I'm going to split this into two, and we'll put a pot of each. I think this one is probably easier to see what the difference is. Can you see that one? It's got more of a sparkle. It's more almost like a glitter. Whereas this one is more like a regular mica, just with that bit of extra sparkle to it. It's not just pearl. I hope this is making sense. Right, let's go for these oblong ones this time. I'll bring you in for a closer look, because we probably don't need to wait for it to cure to see the difference. By the way, if you happen to order one of each, it will look like one pot's got more in than the other. I make sure they've all got at least 5 grams in. Sometimes I accidentally go slightly over, but the difference is down to the density of the powder. One just weighs more than the other because it's a finer mesh. It meant that the coarser one was easier to box up as well. Right, let me bring you in for a close look. Then of course I'll show you once they're cured. So can you see what I mean? The one on the left looks quite marginal in this light, doesn't it? But the one on the left is a coarser powder. Is it easier to see in the pots? It might be. This is the finer one, 200, and this is the coarser one, which is the 80. And I don't know if you can see it in these. Anyway, we'll have a proper look when they're demolded. Maybe I can show you better then. Anyway, I'll see you later when these have cured. Right, these are cured. Would you know, we've got sun in the UK. I might be able to hold these up into the sun to show you properly. Unusual for January, isn't it? Right, this is the ones that were mixed in. Now, look, you can even see these moulds are great. They're so see-through. And you can see from the back what the difference is. So let's do the ones where it was mixed in. And you get this in the sun. I've got some sun over here on the front of my t-shirt in a weird red flash. I don't know if you can see that, but it's a coarser sparkle. And that's the finer one, which is probably the one that you know is Super Sparkle White. So here we go, side by side. Sorry, this is extreme close-up. I'm trying to, hang on, let's do that. There we are. Trying to get them in the sun for you. So 80 and 200. When it says 80 or 200 mesh, that's the coarseness to which the little tiny flakes of mica have been cut. But I can get 10 grams in there as well. So if you wanted the 10-gram ones, it doesn't increase the postage costs, just the mica costs. And yeah, there you go. It's all in store now. I'll put you the link down below. But I thought I'd better make a quick video just to explain it so you know what you're doing.